Hello everyone, and thank you very much for watching. Today I want to share about an inspiring project from Gospel Life Ministries in Uganda. We are greatly in need of church buildings. Instead of constantly raising large amounts of money to construct churches, we came up with a fantastic and sustainable long-term idea. We are launching an ox plow maize farming project. The vision is to purchase a pair of trained oxen and farming equipment to cultivate 5 acres of maize. The harvest will help generate income for building church buildings while also training local Christians in sustainable farming skills. On top of this, the oxen themselves can also be used to help provide livelihoods for individual Christians themselves on their own land. This is truly a multi-purpose project. The project expects to harvest around 100 kilograms of maize in the first year, creating both food security and financial support for constructing the church buildings. This is more than farming, it is provision to sustain. It empowers communities, supports churches, creates particular skills, and provides long-term sustainability for the future. This means that a one-time investment of only $1,900 can continue generating profit for many years to come and make a huge impact across the whole area. Every single penny of your donation goes directly into this project. Nothing is taken for administration or other fees. Please keep this project in your prayers and support. Together we can make a lasting difference.